Hello, good morning everyone. This is Nazrul. I am working here at Eicra.com as a senior web developer. Now in this tutorial we are going to show you how can we add, edit, manage, activate, deactivate menu and its corresponding submenus. So we will grab one template as dummies where we will show you how to manage, deactivate, activate and edit the menu and submenu based on your requirements. So let's log on to our home page. Okay, now you can see I choose a template called real estate script. So I choose this script as a dummies. For your case, it not necessarily has to be a real estate script. It can be any of your website, any script you are dealing with. But in this website I have chosen for you to show how to publish and unpublish menu and submenu. So this is our a dummy website. For your case it can be any websites, can be any template, but the logic will remain same. So as you can see at your screen, our real estate template is showing up. For your case it can be any other websites. So we will show you how can we manage and publish, unpublish and edit the menu and submenus. So what do we understand by menus? Menus is what you can see at your screen, is the header part where it helps user to navigate through your websites. So this is what we call submenu, as you can see on at your screen. So this is submenu. Under the gallery option there is two submenu and these are menus. So first of all we will call menu on the top mother menu, and under the mother menu there are some submenus which we see as a child menu of a mother. So this is what we call submenu. Now we will see how can we manage these menus and submenus, edit, add, activate, deactivate through our administration area. So this is the header part. As you can see, just below the header part we place menus. For your cases menu can be placed on top, bottom, sidebar and whatever, so based on your design requirements and based on your liking. So for our case, here is our submenus and we keep menu right below of our header part of this website. So this is what we call submenu. So now we will go to our administration area to show you where we can manage these menus according to my requirement. So just on the top URL I type www.yourwebsite.com/administrator and it brings up a page to log in to the admin area. So now I am going to type my username and password to log into our backend. So here is our username. For your case it can be your email address. You can use your root password or administrative password, whichever you want to use. So now look at this. I just logged into my backend and I can see there are many menus I have in the backend. So under the navigation menus there is an option called menus. Find, yes, this is our content area and this is the menus. Now we will go on the menu section. There is a menu and under the menu there is an option called manage menus, as you can see. So this is the manage menus where you can manage your menus and submenus. So I click on that, it brings up a new interface with the menu list of the menus. So I can type anything on a name here. So on the public viewable part, right on top of the admin section, I click on that so that I can bring my front end side by side. So here I will work on the galleries menu and I will show you how to add publish, unpublished, gallery, menus and submenus. So this is, I have two submenus under the gallery menus. So on the back end I will play with these two menus. Now in this menu name section you can type any name to search, because there are numerous number of lists. So it is very difficult to find it through, so I just write a name to find it. So just write a name, but I just type a dummies, so nothing comes up. So it means you need to be careful that the menu name is case sensitive, and it has to be spelled correctly. So here is our galleries, as you can see. So this is the gallery menu that represent on the front end as a gallery. So I just copy gallery and paste it to the menu name, and so make sure that the case and the name is spelled correctly, and now I found the exact menu what I am looking for. So this is what the gallery menu is. Now I click on the left hand icon, it brings submenu underneath of the galleries menu. So these two are the submenus representing to your front end, and this is your action area where you can edit, publish, delete, default, preview option is there. So here you can play with your menus and submenus based on your requirement. So this is what we call edit menus. I click on the edit menus and it brings an interface to show you how to edit these menus. So now as you can see on the front end, I have one submenu and two submenus under the photo gallery. So here I can change the name, title if I want, and this is an option. If you force your visitor to log in, you can select yes. It means user must log in before get access to this menu. Now this area is basically the menu location. So this is the group where you want to set your menu for, and this we have 4 or 5 groups here. So once I select one groups, it will bring the list of these nodes on your left hand side, and you can set where your menu will be exactly hierarchy to the position of the left. And here I select as a root of gallery. So it means this menu comes as a top, as a mother menu, and and this is what we called content area. Content area is the area where you want to show your menu content. Means I select here view content gallery. It means when user click on this menu, it will show the view content gallery, and then under the content gallery we need some action. So this is what photo gallery is. So I want photo gallery action to be fired when this menu is been clicked. So select what action you want to perform, and then I select photo galleries because I want a photo gallery to fire when user click on the photo gallery section. Now I hit save and it saved successfully. It means when user click on the photo gallery, a photo gallery content area will loads up with an action of photo gallery. Now I go back and I can see my new gallery has been saved. Here if you want to default, this is one to delete, and this is one you need to default, because by default these, if you select default, it means your website will boots up to this menu area. This is what for preview is, and this tick mark is basically responsible for showing and not showing of your menu. So it means I unpublished it. I do not want my user to view this content anymore. So if I click on unpublished, it will no longer be visible to the front end. So now see, I have unpublished and refreshed my website. Make sure that your browser cache has been refreshed. Control F5 will help you. So now I hit on Control F5 and you can see the gallery is gone. Gallery menu is no longer here. So when I unpublished, gallery menu is gone. It means I do not want user to see my gallery anymore. Now if I now go back to my admin area and then I want to show it again to the visitor, now I hit published, it means it is now available to the public for viewing. So now let's go back to my front end and hit refresh button. Make sure that your browser cache has been refreshed. Ctrl+5 will help you to do that, and then refresh. You can see, boom, the gallery is again, gallery menu comes again. So we published it and it is immediately viewable to the public area. So here is these two submenus I can see under the galleries option. So now we will play with these two submenus here. So the submenus come just underneath of the parent menu. So if I click on this left hand arrow icon, I can see these two submenu comes up, and if you click on unpublished, it means the submenu will no longer be visible, as we can see just a bit ago. Yes, I just click on the unpublished, and this is the second one. I click on the unpublished, it means the submenu will no longer be visible to the public area. So now I go back to my public area and refresh my browser to see if my submenu is still available or not. Okay, page loads up. Let's see. Nope, submenu is no longer here. It means it is unpublished. So our submenu gone. So just a gallery will be clickable and no other menu is here. So now we go back to our admin panel, and if we click on the publish here button, it means it will be published again to the user or visitor you want to publish, you want to show it. So now I go back to my front end area, refresh the browser, and hope it will show up again. Let's loads up. Loading. Yes, it's loaded. Let's put your mouse over to the galleries, and you can see these two submenu will comes up. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. I hope you have learned how to add, edit, manage, publish and unpublished menu from your backend area. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you. If you have anything to tell, please email us. We are happy to answer your question. Thank you very much.